Hello, how are you doing? I am taking a break from my very boring paperwork to make us a quick little unboxing thing or enveloping. I will, as usual, link down below to the store where I got this. And I am, as usual, also not sponsored. I bought this myself. So let's see. Of course, it's hair stuff. What else? Seeing if I can cut this open here without damaging anything. It's two things. Which one shall we start with? This. Let's see if I can get in here. I can. So this is a hair comb made from horn. Is that how we pronounce it in English? I have wanted to try one for many years. I have wooden combs, and when looking at combs online made from horn, most of them look very bad. They are not smooth at all and very fine toothed or very like narrow, and I do not want that. So I have been looking at this particular comb for a few years actually, and now I decided that I really want to try it because I want to see, compared to a wooden comb, how this works. And I will try this. It's very nice, very smooth, nothing that should be able to damage my hair in any way. It's very lightweight and beautiful. And for the second thing, I do like how these are very nice packages to protect them, but it's also not unnecessary wrapping that will just take up space. Very nice. So this is a hair fork. Very beautiful. I like that it's big. I actually don't have any 4-prong forks. I only have with 2 prongs. So I am very excited to try it. And it's big. That's good. And it's extremely smooth. Like, it's very nice to touch. I like these. They are... I don't like when they are too blunt, because then it's hard to get into your hair. And you don't want them to be too sharp so that you can hurt yourself either. So these are very nice. They won't snag on my hair. So, should we try this out? I need to take down my hair first. My hair is very messy. Never mind that. So let's try this first. So I have small hands, so this fits very nicely. Sorry. This fits very nicely in my hand. So if you have larger hands, then this might feel a bit too small. I have actually this size of a child's hands. But yes, I like this. I get a very nice grip in this little curve. Sorry, just found the word. In this little curve, so it's easy to hold. It runs very nice and smooth through my hair. So I have detangled my hair a few hours ago before putting it up. So I shouldn't have any big tangles in here. Just want you to know that. Otherwise I wouldn't just be dragging the comb from up to down either. Oh, let's see, I did find a small little tangle thing. So I'm not going to comb through my hair as I would usually do. We're just testing this out. Yes, this is very nice. It runs smoothly from my hair. There's nothing that catches on my hair. Very lightweight. Nice to hold in my hand. Yes, yes, yes. I will be using this a lot. Alright, we are in my bathroom. Not sure about the camera angle, but this is not one of those very serious videos, just a quick. So I decided to try the comb a bit more to see how it feels against my scalp. So it's like a nice little scalp scratch that does not feel as if it's not scratching as if it would hurt my skin in any way. So just to show nothing, no weird marks or anything. So I feel that this is very nice for my scalp and can also give a little nice scalp cleaning before I use my board bristle brush for that. Okay, this comb is perfect for my small hands, so you might want to get a bigger one if you have adult size hands. I don't know, not sure, it might work for you too. Just your thumb would go a bit further, probably. So let's try this. Let's see, what type of bun should we make? I'm trying to make this bun very loose and big because more prongs, bigger bun. If you use a hair stick, you want a smaller bun. If you use something larger, you want lots of space because otherwise it will pull. Just going to take my mirror, if I can find it. Here we go. It's hidden underneath my hair scarves. Okay, not sure about the bun, but I feel that this is very sturdy. Like it a lot. Maybe we should try some other bun. Perhaps a Cinnabon. I can't for my life make that with a hair stick anymore. I used lots and lots of U-pins. So let's see if we can do it with a big hair fork. And as usual, I am making all of my weird faces. Sorry about my phone. I don't know if I'm getting text messages or whatever. Feels good. Does it look good or not? Yeah, no, I did not put that in too well. Let's see, around here perhaps. Okay, this coil is a bit loose. I did not. Let's see if I can catch a bit of that hair. Still a bit loose, but it's just a test. Still feels nice and sturdy. Doesn't look too bad. So yes, this hair fork is amazing. Sits well, smooth. I do like this comb a lot, so yes, I can recommend this Etsy seller. I will link down below to where I got this stuff. And now I am going to make some lunch and feel fancy while doing my paperwork. So yes. So what do you think? Did you like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Did you like my hair stuff? Hair toy, hair comb? Why don't you let me know in a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!